Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm a painter. When Marsha Linehan developed DBT as a way to get a sense of mindfulness, she developed a set of skills called the how skills. I would like to talk about the how skill called One Mindfully. One Mindfully is a tool that simply states, do one thing at a time. We're more successful if we focus on one thing as opposed to trying to juggle different tasks at the same time. I can't be cutting tile in between coats of paint. If I try to maximize my time and do that, I'm going to lose track of time doing this, and before I know it, my paintbrushes are dry, my rollers are dry, and I really haven't been successful at anything. As human beings, our brains just aren't designed to focus and fully concentrate on more than one task at a time. Try going to a restaurant and listening to the conversations at all the tables around you. You're not going to be able to follow many at the same time. It's very hard because the brain just isn't wired that way. With this said, we get ourselves in trouble when we try to multitask, when we try to wash the dishes while talking on the telephone. We might drop the phone in the dishes, or we might break a plate. We're just more successful if we do one thing at a time. If I try to cut tile in between coats of paint, I might be aware of what's happening with the paint and feel rushed and stressed, and in the process make mistakes, or worse yet, maybe injure myself. Do you find yourself upset at times or frustrated? Well, stop and take a deep breath and ask yourself, are you trying to do too much at the same time? Because if you're trying to text and drive, or you're at work and you're trying to have a conversation with somebody from home while you're trying to work on a task at work, you're going to become very frustrated. Multitasking doesn't work, and it doesn't help us achieve a sense of serenity. If anything, we are less peaceful and less productive. Now try being mindful and just practice doing one thing at a time.